Infinitive intentions. Mastering verbs of preference and intention. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, specifically within our ongoing series on infinitives. We're zooming in on verbs of preference and intention. These verbs are commonly followed by infinitives, and understanding how to use them correctly will significantly enhance your English skills. To kick things off, let's clarify what we mean by verbs of preference and intention. These verbs express our desires, plans, or preferences. When these verbs are used in a sentence, they are often followed by an infinitive, which is the base form of a verb that typically follows the word to. For instance, to eat, to go, to dance are all infinitives. Examples of verbs of preference and intention are prefer, plan, intend, and want. Let's start with verbs of preference. The most common ones include prefer, like, love, and hate. When you express a preference, you're sharing what you favor or what you don't. Let's see them in action. 1. I prefer to eat pizza than burgers. 2. She likes to play the guitar in her free time. 3. They love to travel around the world. 4. I hate to wake up early on weekends. These examples demonstrate how these verbs can help express your personal preferences. Next, we have verbs of intention. These verbs show what someone plans or aims to do. Common verbs of intention include plan, intend, hope, and want. Let's look at these in sentences. 1. We plan to visit France next summer. 2. He intends to finish the project by the end of this week. 3. I hope to see you at the party. 4. They want to buy a new car soon. These sentences clearly express an intention or a plan. It's time for some practice. Try to form your own sentences using the verbs of preference and intention we've learned today. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new grammar concept. Well done on making it through this lesson on verbs of preference and intention. By now, you should be more confident in using these verbs followed by infinitives. It's a small but powerful tool to make your English more precise and expressive. Keep practicing, and as always, happy learning.